How to generate payroll with 360 HRMS. First, log in to view the dashboard. You will find the Payroll button, which you'll have to click on. Then, go to Payslips Batches and click on New button. Here, fill in the required fields and click on Generate Payslips. After that, go to Add a Line button, and you will find the list of employees, where you can select the eligible employees, and press the Select button. Then, click on Generate button. After the payslip batch is generated, you will validate it, to ensure the correct information. Then click on Send First Approval, and an email will be sent to the person, that you can set in the settings beforehand. Once first approver will approve the payslip, it will be directly sent to the second approver. And the payroll status will be accepted, based on the approvals. Get in touch with us if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.